Yo, what going? I'm finna be showing y'all my trade on Friday, August 1st. You feel me? Finna give y'all a quick recap. So, I know we had news today at 8:30, and if you don't know what news is, it's basically like news events that come out at a certain time. So, as you can see right here, it say 8:30 USD. We had non-farm payroll. So, I knew we was having news, so I woke up a little bit earlier than I usually do to catch this move. So what I did was, I seen 8:30 came, as y'all can see. This is the news candle, the candle I'm hovering over, 8:30, and I seen we just to the sell side right here. Let me draw it out for y'all. We just to the sell side. So I'm like, okay, smooth. To the sell side, then we also delivering from this fair value gap right here. And on top of that, the 5-minute held, as y'all can see right here. We never closed below it, so this is a sign of bullishness. We didn't close below it, this 5-minute held. So I'm like, okay, you feel me? Took sell side, 5-minute held. And this is also a secured low now. As y'all know from my previous video, I explained what a secure low is. If you don't know what that is, you may want to go check that out. So we took this low and side of this fair value gap, created a swing low. So I'm like, okay. I dropped down to a lower time frame to see if I could get an entry. So come over to the 15-second. So I seen we took this. So I'm like, okay. Now I just need an inversion. Once I find an inversion, I'm ready to execute. You feel me? So I'm like, okay, smooth. I know y'all see it because I see it. I'm like, okay. We got a little 15-second right here. And we got good momentum. If y'all peep, we haven't had a red candle since taking this low. Like, it's been straight, just green, like bullish order flow. So I'm like, okay. I peeped that. Then when we closed above it, with good momentum. So let me turn on my fills so y'all can see. I was not showing my fill. Hold on. Hey, so I be turned off my thing, my account numbers, to where I can't see it. So let me just refresh this real quick so y'all can see my fill, so y'all don't think I'm capping. Okay, just click one of these. Alright, so boom. So as I was saying, you feel me? I bought right here, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go break even here. The reason you want to go break even is so you don't have no type of risk. Like, so if it come back down to my entry point, I lose $0. So when we hit this high right here, I went to break even. So I'm like, okay, smooth, whatever. I look for a re-entry. So I go to the 2-minute. Oh yeah, and let me tell you the reason why I went to break even right there. This gap right here. Hold on, let me draw my rectangle. This. Do you know if I don't know if this truly going to break, and I'm not finna take the gamble. So you want to go to break even because you don't know if this fair value gap is truly going to break. Even though it makes sense because there's a news candle right here and this is like the best liquidity, you still just never know. So I'm not finna try and predict the market. I'm gonna go with the flow. So I went to break even at this high right here. So as I was saying, I went back to the 2-minute. I was like, we break this, I'ma re-enter, which we did. So we closed above this fair value gap right here. A pretty good momentum again, but this time I didn't even get a chance to go to break even. Well, to be honest, there wasn't a break even. I would just would have held for full TP. So it came back down, stopped me out right here. But then I seen we had a re-entry on the 15-second. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this little fair value gap right here. And y'all can see my field, so I'm finna take it off so y'all can see better. Okay, so yeah, we got a fair value gap right here where this little blue box is. Y'all see the fair value gap. So I re-entered there, and then I just took it to the data, to the news with the news candle. And yeah, that's pretty much today trade. Pretty smooth, easy. Wasn't too hard, and it made sense. Like, we're all the way in discount, so it made sense to have some type of reversal. Pretty easy trade though. So yeah, that's that. If y'all wondering where these lines are on my chart, it's on the macro time. From 8:50 to 9:10, and the macro time is just, when price should run to this liquidity pool. But yeah, this trade is pretty simple. I was done by 8:40. I was done before market open, so pretty easy trade. Liquidity pool above right here. We swept liquidity. Hold on, let me create a like a box for y'all so y'all know what I'm talking about. What that thing got? Oh, hold on. Arrow down, highlighter, circle. What a thing where I could shoot, forget it. But we're in discount. We also had a news candle with a liquidity sweep. Dang. Liquidity sweep. Also had a also had delivery from a fair value gap, and it also held what else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, good mo. So I think that's pretty much it. Feel me? That's all you really need. Of course we had our entry, the inversion fair value gap. So this is all I needed. Feel me? Using discount, we had a news candle, so this was a good for our target. So we had our target with the liquidity sweep right here. Delivery from fair value gap. This gray box right here. These two gray boxes. Good momentum, as you all can see. Just straight bullish order flow after we sweep this low, and delivered from the fair value gap. Straight bullish order flow. And then we had the inversion fair value gap right here, our entry. So yeah, that's pretty much for today. Pretty smooth trading session. And I'll see y'all Monday. Appreciate y'all for watching this, taking the time out y'all day. And yeah, may God bless y'all.